Wolfe with Wolfe Digital Tribe and Wolfe Digital Media. I am so very excited to announce our upcoming 6-part podcast series on the human experience. In the first episode, we're going to talk about and discuss something very, very, very vital: the stories we lived. Joined by my co-host, Angelica Hernandez. We will take the blueprint that we've all been given, yet we haven't felt that, or have you ever felt that you were given a blueprint in which you didn't even live? Well, this is a lived experience of a powerful woman, a dear friend of mine, who has overcome so much, and more than anything, has risen above, not as a victim, not as someone that has any motive, but for justice, for change. But more than anything, this is just a kitchen table conversation where we're going to discuss her life. She's going to share her stories, and I'm so very honored to have her join me on this first episode. So be on the lookout for this first episode of the Human Experience 6-part podcast series, The Stories We Inherited, episode 1. So stay tuned, stay plugged in, like Facebook, follow, and go to the Wolfe Digital Tribe YouTube channel, as well as subscribe, guys. We need you guys. We need your engagement. Share, like, and share with your friends, your coworkers, your family, and tune in. And also don't forget, Friday we're having a live virtual training session in which I will go over on-scent technology. And but first, we're going to cover the Public Information Act, PIA, or the FOIA request. I've attended numerous virtual conferences and extensively studied and have had real-world 3 years experience. So if you've ever run into a hurdle, if you ever heard your government say we can't provide, we're not going to provide something there for you. Again, I'm not a lawyer. This doesn't constitute legal advice, but what this is going to be an outline and template and just a blueprint to help you better navigate through those records requests, as well as go over some technical things, kind of go over what on-scent is and how I've implemented that in my 3-year investigation. So again, guys, upcoming episode, The Stories We Inherited, on the new podcast series.